Hi and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today we are making the perfect comfort food, a really creamy and hearty chickpea curry. Start by heating some olive oil over medium-high heat. Then chop up an onion and throw it into the pot. Once the onions are translucent, we will add some spices. Turmeric, cumin, curry, chili powder, and a dash of cinnamon. And as always, you can find all the exact quantities in the description box below. I wish you could smell the spicy goodness right now. After a minute or so, add some tomato puree. I'm using passata, but you can also use diced or chopped tomatoes if you prefer. I'm sorry about the steam on the camera. If you have a trick for how to avoid it whilst making cooking videos, please leave me a comment. Anyways, let the tomato sauce evaporate a bit and then add the chickpeas. Since I'm using canned chickpeas, I gave them a quick rinse beforehand. Mix it all up, and then in we go with the coconut milk. It's very important you use coconut milk and not coconut water. Initially, I didn't know there was a difference, and I assure you that coconut water makes for some pretty awful curry. Give the coconut milk a quick shake and add it to the curry. Add some salt to taste, a cup of water, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. A few minutes before serving the curry, I like to add a handful of cashew nuts. They go really well in curry and add some extra nutritiousness to it. Cook another few minutes until the cashews soften up. I like to add some freshly chopped spinach leaves as garnish. Serve the curry warm with some rice and you've got yourself a super quick, delicious and healthy dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and stick around for some bloopers.